Is TCL Google TV AirPlay compatible? Yes, many TCL Google TV models are AirPlay compatible. TCL has integrated Apple AirPlay 2 support in its Google TV models, which allows users to wirelessly stream content from their Apple devices, such as iPhones, iPads, and MacBooks, to the TV. This feature enhances the versatility of TCL Google TVs, making it easier to share videos, photos, music, and more directly from your Apple devices to the TV screen. 1. AirPlay 2 and TCL Google TV. AirPlay 2 is a wireless streaming technology developed by Apple. TCL Google TVs with AirPlay 2 compatibility enable users to stream or mirror content from their Apple devices to the TV screen with ease. This includes sharing videos, photos, music, and even screen mirroring from apps. 2. How to use AirPlay with TCL Google TV. Step 1. Ensure your TCL Google TV and Apple device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. On your Apple device, swipe down or up to open the control center, then select screen mirroring or choose the content you want to stream. Step 3. Select your TCL Google TV from the list of available devices. The content will start streaming to the TV. 3. AirPlay compatibility across TCL models. While most newer TCL Google TV models support AirPlay 2, it's important to check the specific model to ensure compatibility. Older TCL TVs or models without Google TV might not have AirPlay support. Check the product specifications or consult TCL's website for more details. 4th, AirPlay and Google TV features. In addition to AirPlay, TCL Google TV support other smart features like Google Assistant, Chromecast built-in, and access to streaming services like Netflix and Disney+. AirPlay adds extra functionality for Apple device users, making TCL Google TVs more versatile and compatible with a wider range of devices. 5. Should you choose a TCL Google TV for AirPlay? If you are an Apple user and want a TV that allows you to easily stream or mirror content from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, choosing a TCL Google TV with AirPlay support is a great option. It provides a seamless connection to your Apple ecosystem while offering great smart features and performance. Many TCL Google TV models are indeed AirPlay compatible, providing users with the ability to stream or mirror content from Apple devices directly to the TV. This feature makes TCL Google TVs a great choice for those who use Apple products and want a seamless connection for content sharing.